So, good afternoon, everybody. This is Mustafa Driving School. We got lovely Taeshayla here. Good. Say hello, Taeshayla.
Hi.
Good. Right. Taeshayla's test is coming very soon. It's a surprise. Right. So she's been learning with me in a few months. It's been a few months. She's doing really good. We done roundabout today, and we done other parking maneuver today. We done forward. We done reverse. We done park on the right hand side. Then now we're doing a para parking. So first 2 rounds I helped Taeshayla how to do it. Now she's going to do by herself.
Yeah.
And then she's going to commentate how to do para parking. I hope you guys find this video useful, and like, share, subscribe for more video like this.
Definitely do. He's a great instructor.
Thank you. When you're ready, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Good. So now you wanna commentate what you're gonna do from here, from stationary, how to move off safely from here. Yes.
Okay.
Good.
So
What are you gonna do?
first of all, I'm going to put it into drive.
Okay. Good.
6-point check.
Okay.
Because we're on the left-hand side.
6-point
check for left-hand side.
Yeah. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Signal to the right.
Brilliant. Good.
And then move off.
Brilliant. Okay. So now, when you go there, tell people what you're gonna do.
I'm going to line up the mirror with the middle of the car.
Good. That's it. Good. How much space roughly you got from
About
the car?
a meter.
Okay. Brilliant. Good. That's it. What you need to do now?
It's lined up, and now I'm going to select reverse.
Good. Well done.
And then I'm going to signal to the left.
Well done.
And
Good.
then 6-point check.
Show me. Good.
6. And then 1 round to the left.
Good. Beautiful.
Keep looking around.
Well done. Well done.
And then I need to line the mirror up with the light of the car.
Good. Perfect. That's the way to do now.
And then I need to then go 1 round to the right.
Go for it.
Look around.
And what are you gonna do now?
And then I need to then go past the lights of
Good.
the car.
Good.
And
Well
then I
now.
need to do 1 round again to the right.
Go for it. Good.
And then now I need to line it up with the car
Okay.
in front.
Good.
Looking all around.
Okay. Good. So what you need to do
And
now?
then I now need to do 1 round to the left.
Okay. Perfect.
And then 2 car lengths back.
Good.
Looking all around.
That's good. That's good. Good. Let's secure the car now. And how's that?
Good.
Brilliant. Now relax. Okay. So, how do you define the para parking now?
Better.
Good. If anybody wants to do para parking, either for the driving test or just general para parking, what would you advise anybody?
I think if anyone's going to do parallel parking, I would advise them to make sure to slowly maneuver the car. Don't be too quick with the steering or the movements. Make sure that you're in the right position at each point before steering the wheel. So make sure that the mirror is in line with the middle of the car. Then you steer to the left, and then make sure that the mirror is in line with the light of the car, and then you steer right. And you make sure that each point that you steer, your car is in the right position, so you don't hit the car that you're next to. Sort of thing.
Good advice. Thank you very much. Good. If I was learning, I would definitely listen to you.
Well, I got my expert information from yourself.
No. We're working as a team, yeah?
Yes.
Brilliant. Okay. Any question?
No.
Drive when we're ready now.
Okay.
Good.
So.
Thank you guys. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.